Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable vibrations on touch on TCL 505. So you have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on sound and vibration. Now scroll down again and click on vibration and haptics. And now click here to enable vibration and haptics, and now here is touch feedback option, and you can tap on that to enable or disable this feature. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.